Hey guys, my name is Dean. Welcome to Manful Yoga. In this quick video, I'm going to introduce you to the Cobra pose and just talk about some of the benefits that go with doing this pose on a regular basis. So Cobra pose is one of the best spine and core strengthening postures found in yoga. It's a foundational exercise in yoga. It's something that you will do in probably every yoga class that you attend. It's also very important for addressing the underlying causes of back pain and poor posture. So doing this posture on a regular basis helps with preventing and solving back pain and also with improving your posture over time. It helps to build endurance in your hips, in your thighs, your core, and in your back. So it's pretty full body. It also helps you to maintain a strong, healthy spine. So especially if you have had problems with your back in the past, or as you start to get older and you start to lose muscle in your back just from being less active. And then lastly, it helps to counter the negative effects of sitting very well. So if you spend a lot of time working at a desk, or you drive, or you take public transportation, or if you just spend a lot of time on your phone or stand with bad posture in general, this is a really good pose to help with countering the negative effects of what happens when we sit and what happens when we have bad posture. So your target areas for this pose are, again, your core, spine, back. It also addresses your hips and your thighs. And difficulty-wise, this is a beginner posture. So it's something that you should be able to attempt no matter what your experience is with yoga. All right, so now some specific benefits of Cobra pose. So again, in general, this is a foundational exercise or posture for strengthening your spine and your core, helping with preventing injury in your spine and also helping to address the underlying causes of back pain. Specifically, when it comes to performance. So if you are a runner, if you're an athlete, if you do cross training, or if you do weightlifting, the posture Cobra is going to help with your spinal stability. It's going to help with strengthening your spine and preventing injury in your spine for exercises like deadlift, squats, or running. It's also going to help with preventing back pain, whether that is induced by exercise or if you just have discomfort on a regular basis in your back during or not exercise related. In terms of your daily fitness, so if you're looking for functional fitness, Cobra pose is very important for strengthening your spine to prevent back injury. It's also very important for correcting your posture through back bending. So on a functional level, Cobra is very important for keeping your spine strong and healthy and preventing injury or pain in your back. In terms of injury prevention or rehabilitation, or maybe with previous back issues, Cobra is something that's necessary for building necessary spinal mobility and core strength to strengthen your back muscles and support a healthy spine. So you may not have the strength to do a proper Cobra pose at first, but as you start to practice it and you do it on a regular basis and it becomes something you can do normally, this is something that will help you maintain a healthy spine over time, especially if you have had previous issues with your spine. And then for guys over 35, this is just really important for helping to maintain a healthy spine, to prevent injury in your spine, either from lack of range of motion, you start to lose mobility as you get older, and also if you just don't do a lot of back bends and you don't strengthen your spine on a regular basis, this is going to help with strengthening muscles that aren't commonly addressed in your other workouts. It's also going to help with maintaining and improving your posture, which is something that gets worse over time, especially as you spend more and more time at a desk, as you become less and less active. Doing Cobra on a regular basis is really going to help with maintaining and improving your posture. And again, that's just going to help with longevity of the spine. All right, YouTube, thanks for watching that video. If you want to see more on Cobra pose, so if you're looking for a full technique walkthrough of the pose, learn more about what you should and shouldn't be feeling during the posture, and check out some workouts that feature Cobra pose, head to the link in the description to check out my full Cobra pose guide on my website. And then make sure you're subscribed to the channel because we put out lots of content like this on a very regular basis. Thanks again for watching. Hope you found this useful, and I'll see you on the next video.